Imagine getting a brand new, all-electric SUV with genuine Volvo and Polestar DNA. Massaging seats, a massive 1,000-watt premium audio system with headrest speakers, and a next-generation battery built to survive extreme tests that would literally destroy other EVs. All for a price tag that completely undercuts every single major competitor in its class. This is the all-new, highly anticipated Geely EX5. While Geely might not be a household name in every corner of the world yet, this is the automotive powerhouse that owns Volvo, Polestar, Lotus, and Zeekr. They have poured all of that combined engineering expertise into this single vehicle, creating what might be the most complete, value-packed electric SUV on the global market today. If you have been waiting for the exact moment to make the switch to an electric vehicle, without sacrificing luxury or breaking the bank, this car was built specifically for you. But does it actually live up to the massive global hype? And which trim level offers the absolute best value for your money? Let's dive deep into the official specifications, real-world pricing, cutting-edge battery technology, and everything you need to know. Let's start by talking about the number everyone wants to know: the price. Geely is leveraging its massive production scale to offer the EX5 at a price point that is frankly disrupting the entire industry. In its domestic market, the entry-level model starts at an astonishing equivalent of around $15,300. Now, as the EX5 rolls out globally across Europe, Australia, and other international markets, local taxes and shipping fees do apply, but the value remains absolutely incredible. For example, in competitive right-hand drive markets, the starting price for the base model sits right around $27,800, while the fully loaded long-range flagship variant climbs to just over $30,500. When you compare that to the pricing of legacy mid-size electric SUVs, Geely is offering a vehicle that is essentially half the price of its European rivals, while packing even more standard features. Globally, the EX5 is offered with 3 distinct battery capacities depending on your market and trim level. The standard range version comes equipped with a 49.52 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering a WLTP-rated range of 345 kilometers, or 214 miles. Step up to the mid-range model, and you get a 60.22 kilowatt-hour pack, extending your WLTP range to a very usable 425 kilometers, or 264 miles. But if you want ultimate road trip confidence, the latest flagship variants feature a larger 68.39 kilowatt-hour battery pack, boosting your driving range to a fantastic 475 kilometers, or 295 miles on a single charge. No matter which battery you choose, every single Geely EX5 is powered by a front-wheel drive, permanent magnet synchronous electric motor that pushes out 160 kilowatts of power, which converts to a healthy 218 horsepower, and 320 newton-meters of instant torque. This motor is incredibly efficient, helping the EX5 achieve a remarkably low aerodynamic drag coefficient of just 0.269. In the real world, that slick shape means the standard and mid-range versions can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 6.9 seconds. The larger battery model, despite carrying a bit of extra weight, still completes the sprint in a highly respectable 7.4 seconds. It is punchy, responsive, and has more than enough overtaking power for highway driving. When it comes to charging, Geely's short-blade battery architecture is designed to handle high-energy throughput with ease. If you plug into an 11-kilowatt AC charger at home, you can easily top up the battery overnight. But when you are out on a road trip and find a DC fast charger, the EX5 can pull up to 135 kilowatts of power. That allows you to charge from 30% to 80% in just 20 minutes, meaning you can grab a quick coffee and be right back on the road. Plus, the EX5 comes standard with vehicle-to-load and vehicle-to-vehicle power supply. With up to 3.3 kilowatts of outbound electricity, you can run household appliances directly from your car's charging port while camping, or even rescue a stranded friend by giving their electric car an emergency charge. Step inside the cabin, and you will quickly realize why reviewers around the world are calling this interior shockingly luxurious. Instead of cheap, scratchy plastics, Geely has covered almost every touchpoint in premium synthetic leather and high-grade soft-touch materials. The seats themselves are an absolute masterclass in comfort, designed with an ergonomic 5+1 layer cushion structure that feels incredibly plush, yet supportive. On higher spec models, the front seats don't just offer 6-way power adjustment, they also come equipped with heating, ventilation, a memory function, and full built-in massage features. The dashboard layout is dominated by a gorgeous, ultra-thin 15.4-inch high-definition central infotainment touchscreen, paired with a matching 10.2-inch digital driver's display. Driving this system is the powerful E04 system on a chip, running Geely's Flyme Auto operating system. This is one of the fastest, most responsive software setups on the market. It supports seamless wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, online navigation, and continuous over-the-air updates. If you opt for the top-tier trims, you also get a massive 13.8-inch windshield head-up display that projects your speed and turn-by-turn navigation directly into your line of sight. But the absolute showstopper in this cabin has to be the Flyme Sound Premium Audio System. Available on upper trims, this is a massive 1,000-watt system featuring 16 strategically placed speakers. Geely has even integrated speakers directly into the front headrests. This allows for specialized spatial audio, meaning your navigation system can whisper directions directly into the driver's headrest speaker without interrupting the music playing for the rest of the passengers in the cabin. For a mid-size SUV measuring 4,615 millimeters in length, with a highly generous 2,750 millimeter wheelbase, the storage packaging is phenomenal. You get 461 liters of boot space with all 5 seats up, but fold those rear seats flat, and that opens up to a massive 1,877 liters of utility space. On the safety front, Geely has equipped the EX5 with a comprehensive Level 2 advanced driver assistance system. You get standard safety nets like autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency lane keeping, blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic braking, and a high-definition 360-degree surround view camera system to make parking a breeze. So, how do the trim levels break down, and which one should you actually buy? The entry-level SE and Pro grades are fantastic budget-conscious choices, offering the 60.22 kilowatt-hour battery, the full 15.4-inch screen, heated seats, and a standard heat pump system to maximize winter driving range. However, if your budget allows, stepping up to the Max or Ultra grades is an absolute no-brainer. Doing so unlocks the larger battery for maximum range, the panoramic glass sunroof, the powered tailgate, the wireless smartphone charger, the full 16-speaker headrest audio system, and those incredible ventilated massaging front seats. The Geely EX5 is a massive wake-up call to the global automotive market. It proves that you do not need to spend luxury car money to get world-class safety, cutting-edge battery technology, and premium cabin comfort. But I want to know what you think. Does Geely's brand new electric SUV have what it takes to make you finally give up your gas-powered car? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more deep dive car reviews, and I will see you in the next one.